Remove the internal screw cover caps and remove the factory applied screws. From outside, press the sash against the frame, while turning the fitting 90 degrees to release the sash. Now, lower the frame 5 or 6 mm. Pull it 20 to 30 mm outwards at the bottom and lower it down. Lift the sash onto the sash brackets on both sides of the frame. Ensure the sash is engaged into the brackets. Then pull the sash onto the bottom of the frame. Turn the fitting 90 degrees to re-engage the sash. Reinstate the internal screws and refit the screw cover caps.